Hey guys, Dan Fuller, Mr. Grey, Dandalf the Grey. I just came off a live stream and someone mentioned the Mexican ancient aliens corpses presented in Mexico's Congress. Now, I saw this 10-second clip when I was eating my lunch in work today, so I only saw it like on a mobile phone. So this is my general reaction. It is a reaction video, I suppose, which I never do. They've actually gone to Congress in Mexico and presented 2,000-year-old mummified aliens. Interesting. Bold move, I should say, but we're going to have a look. I've got auto captions on, so unfortunately, because I don't speak Mexican. Spanish, Portuguese. I do apologize to all Mexicans.
Extraordinario. David Grush, el oficial de inteligencia que declaró ante los congresistas de los Estados Unidos que su país estaba en posesión de restos biológicos de entidades.
Now, I don't know who this guy is, unfortunately. He obviously mentions David Grush, who was in Congress about a month or so ago, saying that the government is 100% hiding alien artifacts and non-biological entities. Or non-human biologicals, I should say, sorry. So, interesting.
Y que él sabía dónde estaban, que se lo dijo a los congresistas. Hasta el momento el Pentágono no ha aceptado liberar esta información y permitir a los congresistas ser testigos de estos restos biológicos. Aquí hoy vamos a presentar dos seres.
Sorry if I'm being silent, by the way, but like I said, I am watching this for the first time, so.
Que fueron recuperados en Perú en una mina de diatomea. Son cuerpos desecados encontrados entre las ciudades de Palpa y de Nazca en 2017, que han sido investigados profundamente tanto por investigadores, periodistas como por científicos, que hoy aquí van a dar a conocer algunas de sus extraordinarias conclusiones. Quiero llamar en primer lugar al investigador Joyce Mantilla.
So these were found in Peru in 2017, and scientists have studied them, looked over them, experts have looked over them, and they are saying that what we're about to see is genuine ancient aliens from 1,000 years ago. I don't know what to think about this so far. Honestly, I really don't. I'm not a full-blown believer in UFOs or anything, but I'm one of those people who think that the size of the universe, there has to be something out there. I could be wrong, but I'm totally open to that. But it's very interesting that it's gone this official. Scientists have looked into it, and they say yes, it's ancient aliens. But who knows? So we'll carry on watching.
Ya ha investigado este tema desde el primer momento. ¿Ya se descubrieron? Vamos a descubrir en este momento esos cuerpos que, de acuerdo a los científicos que van a declararlo aquí, son seres no humanos, que no son parte de nuestra evolución terrestre y que después de desaparecer no hay una evolución posterior.
These two is what they're presenting right now. Well, I don't know if they're scientists, but like I said, I first saw this on my phone this morning when I was eating my chicken curry doing my break in work. I thought, to me, it just looks like they look like plaster cast molds of E.T. from the 1982 Spielberg movie. But looking at it closer now on a bigger screen, they don't look like E.T. Well, they look a bit like E.T., I must admit. They look like mummified remains of something. But they also look like, when you see the photos of the Pompeii and you can see them in museums, when I think it was Vesuvius? Was that volcano erupted? I can't remember. And the pyroclastic blast, which forever mummified the people of Pompeii. That's what they look like, but skinnier.
De acuerdo a la Universidad Nacional Autónoma de México, quien realizó los análisis de carbono 14, estos seres tienen alrededor de 1000 años de antigüedad. Es decir, no se trata de seres que fueron recuperados en naves que son estrellamientos, sino son
I think some of the auto translation is a bit weird. Birds that are crashes. Obviously, he didn't see that.
seres que estaban sepultados en minas de diatomea, tierra de diatomea. La diatomea es una alga fosilizada con 17 millones de antigüedad, es fitoplancton que abundaba en aquel tiempo y al desaparecer se fosilizó. Y la diatomea tiene características extraordinarias. Deseca a los cuerpos, no permite el crecimiento de bacterias ni de hongos. Por tanto, permitió preservar estos cuerpos por 1000 años.
So what he's basically saying it's been preserved because of the mines they were found in. They stopped the corpses, wherever they are, from drying out. So anything they find inside that is what it is when they died. Whatever the hell it is, basically.
Años desecados. No se trata de momias, se trata de cuerpos que están íntegros, completos, que no han sido manipulados en su interior y que tienen una serie de elementos que los hacen verdaderamente extraordinarios. Por favor, Joyce Mantilla, si quieres pasar por acá, por favor.
They said scientists have gone over these, whatever they are, but I want to see x-rays. I'm assuming they x-rayed it. It's probably the first thing you do when you find something like this. You x-ray it to see if it's not like a puppet or something, or like a statue. I'm assuming they x-rayed it, but if they haven't, there's a high possibility that they could be just mummified, not mummified, but petrified statues, which they have carbon dated to at least 1,000 years ago. I mean, it's possible they could be statues, but I am reaching. I'm assuming, any scientist with any pedigree of standards would, if I was a scientist, I'd x-ray the hell out of them. First thing I'd do. So I don't know.
La sorpresa está por allá, el otro extremo de la sala. Sin embargo, quiero aprovechar para agradecer a esta mesa ilustre de invitados, al diputado Sergio, que nos ha traído hasta aquí. Y obviamente entiendo la posición de mis colegas, que en este momento están obviamente atraídos por la sorpresa que les hemos traído. Yo normalmente estoy en la posición de ellos. Ahora, por las circunstancias, estoy aquí.
And that's it. Alien bodies. Right, let's read a quick article and then I'll give you my thoughts. This is the moment a UFO investigator presented two allegedly non-human bodies to a Congress full of astonished officials. Jamie Mousson, who has led investigations into alien phenomena for decades, stood with scientists to unveil two corpses in a watershed event in front of Mexican Congress. The researchers made the extraordinary claim that the corpses supposedly recovered from a mine in Cusco, Peru, were not part of our terrestrial evolution, with 30% of their genetic composition still unknown, according to Mexican media. Carbon dating by the National Autonomous University of Mexico found the bodies pictured with 3-fingered hands, no teeth, and stereoscopic vision, were more than 1,000 years old. But the bizarre presentation has already triggered skepticism online, with some joking that the bodies were mutated cats. I mean, you should be skeptical about stuff like this, but I don't know about mutated cats. I have no idea. Do you know what, though? They actually do look a bit like cat skeletons. I'm not going to look up what they look like, but if you know the shit, if you've seen a cat lying down, they look like that. I don't know. But the face is a bit weird. They definitely don't like cats. I don't know. Unusually for fossils that have been subjected to analysis, the specimens were coated in what appeared to be sand. But Mawson, who has been associated with debunked alien theories in the past, said under oath on Tuesday, these specimens are not part of our terrestrial evolution. These aren't beings that were found after UFO wreckage. They were found in the diatom mines and were later fossilized. Whether they are aliens or not, we don't know, but they are intelligent and they lived with us. They should rewrite history. We are not alone in the vast universe. We should embrace this reality, he said at an event. Mutated cats. They don't look like cat paws to me. I'm not seeing the cat myself. Experts in Congress showed apparent x-rays of the specimens and told deputies that one of the beings carried eggs with embryos inside them. Maybe they are cats. I don't know. They said they had implants of cadmium and osmium metals. Osmium is one of the most scarce elements on the Earth's crust and considered the rarest precious metal. Muslim described the event as a watershed moment, the first time Mexico held a formal dialogue with to acknowledge the phenomenon. Are they the eggs or embryos they've seen? Don't know. I need some cat experts. That's what we need. We definitely need cat experts. No, it don't look like a cat to me. It doesn't. It just doesn't. I genuinely don't know what to think about this. Some people are going to think I'm absolutely crazy. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I genuinely don't. I'm always skeptical as hell about stuff like this, and I still am. But it's interesting that they've gone this far, into Congress, Mexican Congress, and, with scientists going over the whatever the hell they are, X-raying them, but they could be mutated cats. I don't know. But it's blood. I must admit, it's exciting. And I guarantee in a week's time, they're all going to come out, "Oh, we fooled you. This is nothing but cats." Or something else weird, which is totally logical in the human process or something. Like a mutation. I don't know. But it is damn interesting. I want to know what you think. What does everyone think? Is this the very first time now, officially, we are seeing that we are not alone? Or is it just a pile of bollocks? I'd really like to know. It's interesting. It is very interesting, and I can't wait to see how this unfolds. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. That was just a short video. Probably not, because I'm just seeing this for the first time myself. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Anyway, leave a like if you like this video. Leave something new to my channel. I do this quite often. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.